Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss curved surface area of sphere. So in this video we are going to discuss this topic under three different sections. So coming to the first section, we are going to deal with the introduction of sphere, and in the next section we are going to discuss the formula to find curved surface area of sphere. And in the last section, we are going to deal with few examples on this formula. So first, let me define a sphere. So, a sphere is a round geometrical object in three-dimensional space that resembles the shape of a round ball. So here in the figure, you can observe a geometrical object which resembles the shape of a round ball. So such object is called as a sphere. And sphere have only one face, it doesn't have any edge or a corner. And then let us discuss how a sphere is actually formed. So, circle is a set of points in a plane equidistant from a given point in a plane. But whereas sphere is a set of all the points in the three space equidistance from a given point forms a sphere. So here in the figure, there is a sphere which is formed by the set of all the points in the three space equidistance from a given point, and this point is called the center of the sphere, which is represented by the letter C, and the constant distance is called the radius. So that is this radius from the center to the point on the sphere. And then the line segment which passes through the center is called the diameter. So here this is the diameter, and it is also called as the longest chord. So hence we can say the diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. Symbolically we can represent it as d equal to 2r. And here the radius r of the sphere completely determines the size of the sphere. And the center of the sphere is not a point of the sphere, as the sphere is a surface and it has no thickness. And now coming to the next section, where we are going to deal with the formula to find curved surface area. So curved surface area is nothing but area of side portions of the sphere. So in order to get the formula to find curved surface area, let us try an experiment where the sphere of radius r is placed in a cylinder of radius r and height is equal to 2r. Therefore, here diameter of sphere will become the height. So here this is a sphere of radius r which is placed inside the cylinder of radius r. So here the height of the cylinder will become h, which is equal to 2r. So therefore we can say lateral surface area of sphere will be equal to lateral surface area of cylinder. And the formula to find the lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. And then substituting the value of h of sphere as 2r in the formula, we get 2 pi r into 2r. And then multiplying, we get 4 pi r square units as the curved surface area of sphere. And then coming to the next section, where we are going to deal with few examples. So here given example is, if the diameter of a ball is 18 centimeters, then how much leather is required to prepare 3 such balls? So here we are given it diameter of ball, that is diameter of sphere, which is 18 centimeters. And we already know that diameter is equal to 2r. And then radius will be equal to half of diameter. So here we are given the diameter 18, so we get radius r equal to 9 centimeters. And then we have to find how much leather is required to prepare such 3 balls. So here we are required to find the curved surface area of sphere. And we already know that curved surface area is given by the formula 4 pi r square units. So substituting all the values in the formula, we get 4 into 22 divided by 7 into the radius r square, that is 9 square. We can write here 9 into 9. And here by simplifying we get result as 1018.287 square centimeters as the surface area of a ball. And now we have to find how much leather is required to prepare 3 such balls. So multiplying the curved surface area into 3, we get the result as 3054 6 by 7 centimeters square. So this much of leather is required to prepare 3 such balls. And then coming to the next example. So here given example is the radius of sphere is 14 centimeters, and to paint the surface of a sphere at 2 pies per 1 square centimeters, how much will it cost? So here we are given radius of sphere, that is r equal to 14 centimeters, and the surface area of sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square units, and then substituting the value of r in the formula, we get 4 into 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 14 into 14. And here by simplifying we get 7 one time is 7 and 7 two times is 14. And then multiplying 4 into 22 we get 88 here into 14 into 2, which is 28. So that implies by multiplying both the terms we get the result over here as 2464 square centimeters. And given the surface area of sphere cost 2 pies per 1 square centimeter. So here by multiplying the curved surface area into 2 pies, we get the result as 4928 pies as the cost to paint. So now let us convert into rupees. So we already know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies, and now in order to convert pies into rupee, just multiply 1 by 100 to the given number. So here we get 4928 divided by 100, and here by cancelling 2 zeros in the denominator and placing a decimal point in the numerator, leaving 2 digits from right to left. So here we get 49 rupees and 28 pies as the cost to paint the surface area of sphere. So this was the basic introduction on curved surface area of sphere. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.